Top 5 business tips to get you started as an entrepreneur in Singapore. Are you looking for power packed business ideas to become entrepreneurs? You're not left alone, as there are plenty of people who wish to pursue the same. But I would say that starting a business not only demands money, but there are a lot of other notable things to possess, such as passion, keeping up the quality promise, excellent customer service, imparting the core values of your business to fellow workers. Missing any of this is like food served without salt. Why to launch the business ideas in Singapore? Everyone will agree that Singapore is the best city to launch business innovations. Below are some of the niche reasons which say that Singapore is a startup friendly place. According to the Business Environment Rankings in 2019, Singapore is listed on top for launching your trade among other Asia Pacific countries. Global Innovation Index in 2018 provides a report that Singapore stands in fifth place globally for being a best global innovation. The World Bank was also involved in taking up the survey for the title Ease of Doing Business Index 2019, and yet again Singapore holds second place for it. Surrounded by emerging industry-specific markets, Singapore is a great hub for startup entrepreneurs to invest for their business. Well, if you have planned to start a business in Singapore but still wandering around with few questions like, is running a business too risky? What if I lose my money in business? Will my business strategies work for the current market? Will the market topple overnight? Remember, one should not miss the opportunities by thinking about the business from another perspective as well. What are hot new business ideas? This is one of the great questions which motivated many successful entrepreneurs in the industry. List of profitable business ideas in Singapore. Start a business that you have interest upon. Do not become an entrepreneur for the business that you never like, but still it holds good market value. You should be really good at things that involve the trade which you start. It can either be learning the technology or meeting the business goals, etc. First business tip. The business type can be either the online business or offline business. There is a list of online businesses that are in demand in Singapore. To name a few of them, virtual assistants, graphic designing, trading stocks, digital marketing business, bookkeeping, ebook publishing, tutoring. While checking the type of business, you must also check the capital money required for it in parallel. Second business tip. There are several business ideas that are underestimated yet perform well in the market, like cleaning services, editorial services. Third business tip. You can always predict the business changes that might happen in the industry. Know the reasons and be approachable so that your customers and employees will be friendly and concerned about your business too. Fourth business tip. Do not run away from your fears. Becoming an entrepreneur needs certain qualities. Be approachable. Learn to handle customers with a cool mind. Fifth business tip. Find the resources for capital amount. In order to increase the startup entrepreneurs, the Singapore government has announced several niche grants and schemes. Make use of these schemes. Use smart softwares like that available in moibu.com. Piece of advice from other successful entrepreneurs in Singapore. Clever entrepreneurs know that massive success in business will not happen overnight. Do not forget to take rest. Never sit back dwelling upon the past failures. Conclusion. To become a successful entrepreneur and to develop your startup company to an overseas business, prepare and follow a steady path. Thank you.